Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you ladoos of two kinds. Both of these ladoos have different. One is modak and the other is a simple dumpling laddu. The one which is in modak shape is a bit soft compared to the other one. Let's go ahead and let's watch the video for making these laddus. First we'll make these round laddus. For making these laddus, first in a pan, take equal amounts of ghee and atta. Like here I have taken 1 cup of atta and 1 cup of ghee. Keep on roasting these ingredients for at least about 25 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes, and if you feel that the ghee is less, you can add more ghee. When you're roasting atta, always take care that the flame should be low. Otherwise the flour may burn and that will put all your efforts in vain. So this is how your flour looks after 20 minutes of roasting. I'll further roast this for 5 more minutes to get a texture like this. You can see that the grains separated out and the flour color has changed to golden brown. Next we'll add 2 pouches of milk powder. You can use any milk powder. I have used everyday's pouch. Next add the grounded sugar as per the desired sweetness. I kept some roasted and crushed dry fruits. These dry fruits consist of desiccated coconuts, almonds, cashew nuts. Now mix them. Knead the mixture to form a dough. I forgot to add raisins as I didn't roast them. You can roast them if you want. So I'm adding it now. Next add some condensed milk. This will help in binding the laddus. Also it will give you a very nice flavor. Then knead the dough. So now with the dough we'll make small dumplings. Make many more dumpling balls like this. And our super yummy atta laddus are ready. Please do like, share and comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.